Hello everyone, today a great project called BIGWHALE has come to our attention. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized form of digital money based on blockchain technology. It offers the ability to transfer funds quickly, securely and anonymously, bypassing all the banks and the government and so on. But cryptocurrency is much more than just means of payment. It opens up new opportunities for investing, trading and creating digital assets. In this video, as always, we will explore this world and discover unlimited possibility that it has to offer. Welcome to the revolution of digital finance. But before you start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video and leave a comment. Let's go! So BIGWHALE launched on March 14th, 2023 and has hit more than 2,700 BNB total value locked, which is about $650,000. And it's growing rapidly. Payouts are more than 1,000 BNB and the current TVL is after all these payouts. And now let's take a look at the guy's website. BIGWHALE Liquidity Protocol Earn interest, borrow BNB, all on a DeFi Smart Contract. Daily ROI from 0.8 to 2%, adjustable and sustainable rates. These are the words that greet us on the homepage of their website. There's also a link to the launch app and the white paper, but we will look at it a bit later. The BIGWHALE BNB stocking and lending protocol runs on a decentralized, open-source, verified smart contract on the BCS blockchain. The BIGWHALE protocol runs on DeFi bank that connects high-interest borrowers with stakeholders like us. Thus, borrowers pay them interest rates ranging from 2.2% to 5% per day, averaging around 2 and 5% per day. When you invest your BNB in their lending protocol, they in turn pay you interest of 0.8% to 2% per day for the liquidity you provide. Note, their interest rates tend to remain stable, but they can be adjusted up or down depending on the market conditions so that the protocol always performs at the profit and remains sustainable. Deposit interest. Built-in sustainability controls like a regular bank, their DeFi protocol has the ability to adjust interest rates up or down depending on the market conditions with 1 to 2 weeks notice. They will do this to ensure the protocol remains healthy and sustainable regardless of market conditions. Borrow BNB starting at a rate of 2.2% to 5% per day according to their protocol. The minimum loan amount is 150 BNB and above. Approval credit limit and interest rate depends on your current assets and overall profile. Withdraw your daily rewards back to your wallet in less than a minute. The BIGWHALE DeFi protocol works with 14 popular Web3 wallets such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet and more for a seamless and secure experience. Also, the guys tell us about their referral program. Earn even more by referring other people to the BIGWHALE protocol. The protocol pays you a portion of your referrals, earnings, and up to 3 levels 10%, 5%, and 2% each time your referrals interact with the contract and perform actions such as deposit, rebate, or withdrawal. If you refer other people to BIGWHALE for a loan, you receive 1%, up to a maximum of 80 BNB of the authorized loan amount if they are approved. And below, as I said, we see the date of project creation, the total blocked value, how many payments were made, and the number of active users of the service of the guys. And to be honest, it's really impressive. And also, at the bottom of the homepage, you will find answers to frequently asked questions. And now let's run through the rest of the tabs of the site. And believe me, there are many more interesting things waiting for us there. First of all, let's take a look at the certificate, and I would like to inform you that as a result the security rating was 60 plus but dropped to 50 due to the fall of the BNB and decrease of market stability rating, but now we will study everything in detail. Here we can see the most detailed information about security assessments, code security, fundamental health, operations sustainability, market stability and community trust. In general, I advise you to study everything well after the video on your own. But what most important is that the guys have a proven open source smart contract. I advise you to study it as well after the video, but personally I was very happy with it. Now let's take an in-depth look at the guy's white paper. We had a slightly higher revenue, 3.5 million, as compared to the first quarter, an account of growth in our non-crypto loan sectors. However, our net income is lower compared to the first quarter due to crypto market conditions as well as the legal costs arising to SWIFT FTA and EU. Net income of 2.5 million, 21% expansion into the Australian and New Zealand crypto-related firms market segment. Strong loans and advances growth in the THC, CBD, oil, hemp, as well as oil and petroleum distributors and transport segments. Loan income from the Colombian operations up by 44% compared to the first quarter of 2023. Crypto loan profit and crypto investments profit are down by about 15 to 20% due to the market conditions compared to the first quarter. Penalty by SWIFT FTA and associated legal costs and resulting expenses from our continued efforts to move core operations offshore amounted to $258,000 SWIFT FTA penalty and $120,000 offshore operations, setup travel, other related costs, totaling to unexpected expense of $378,000. Strong operating performance, healthy loan growth delivered across all business segments. Net income of 2.7 million, it's 15% more than last year. Loans and advances of 3.5 million, 7% more. Record cryptocurrency related loans up by 14%. Lending expansion into new business segments, oil and petroleum distributors and transporters in Russia, Italy and Germany. Revenue from THC and CBD production companies loan segment up by 22%. Further expansion into the Venezuelan and Colombian THC and CBD loan segment. Developed and launched BIGWHALE.io, a DeFi protocol in March 2023 to massively expand overall lending businesses, minimize SWIFT FTA taxes and reduction in interest expense from loans undertaken to fund borrowers. BIGWHALE.io has reached a deposit of size about $250,000 by May 2023 and will be undergoing a massive advertising campaign to attract depositors and borrowers at the worldwide scale. Banking partnerships with banks based in the offshore countries to further minimize tax and risk exposure from SWIFT FTA and EU due to the nature of our business. In general, the guys are confidently moving on the right path despite all the difficulties, which is certainly worthy of respect. Also, the guys have recently made their first AMA. I think it's quite interesting. Link to this video will be in the description necessarily. Look and subscribe to their channel, there you will find a lot of interesting things. Well, traditionally, we're going to try out the service ourselves, guys, and to be precise, I'm going to make a deposit of $25. Because personally, I was surprised and inspired by the guys, and personally, I am fully confident in them and I am going to cooperate in the future. So after the video, we'll study everything yourself and I think all doubts will disappear at once. So I think it's time to summarize. The guys have created a truly amazing thing in crypto world, and as far as I'm concerned, they are worth spending our time on. The people behind this project are professionals, and it can be seen literally from the first page of their site. I cannot even imagine how much effort and time invested in this, money even more. But the most important thing is that they have succeeded, and I hope you also appreciate the guys as much as I do. I told you only a small part of what they really are. So after the video, be sure to go study on your own. All the links of course will be in the description. The guys also have a referral program, so if you're a YouTuber or have a blog, you can earn background with us. Don't forget about the social networks of guys. They actively post on their Twitter, YouTube channels, and also in Telegram they have more than 900 active users, so there you will definitely find a lot of interesting and useful information for yourself. And that's it, don't forget to subscribe and see you soon, bye bye!